Hey guys, Bobby J with Bars Leaks outside today, and well, it's a little chilly, a little gray, overcast. We certainly know the warm weather's coming. I just spoke to a customer the other day who pulled his lawnmower out for the season and noticed that he had developed some oil spots in the shed over the winter. And when he started that mower up, he noticed that he was getting the blue smoke. Wanted to know if we could help. So the same product that I recommended to him is the one that I'm going to talk to you about today, and that was our Oil Seal engine oil burning and leak repair. This is the professional version of our engine oil stop leak product. While our other products are able to stop leaks, this one is the only one that is formulated to be able to help with leaks, consumption issues, and burning issues. What happens over time, a perfect example was that lawnmower. It sat over the winter. The age of this thing will come into play too, and those seals and gaskets very simply shrivel up and they dry out. It allows that oil to pass. When that oil burns off and it comes out the tailpipe in the form of blue smoke, that's blow-by. So what this does is it goes in and it revitalizes those seals and gaskets, brings them back to life, and stops that oil from passing. Matter of fact, I solved a smoking issue and a leak with 3 ounces of this product in a 1976 wheel horse lawn tractor. Completely took care of my issues until the mower finally gave out about a year and a half later. But the product straight up works, guys. If you have to take that mower out of service, that's money out of your pocket. So if it's just dealing with an oil leak, a little bit of burning, we could certainly help. Guys, our customer service team is available Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern, and they can be reached at 1-800-345-6572. Whether you're dealing with a leak on your lawnmower or your vehicle, we're here to help. Be well, guys. We'll talk to you soon.